Hi speakers, this is Shankar, the director and trainer of Speakers Delight Speak English Confidently. We have our own coaching center at Dilshuk Nagar, Hyderabad. So whether it is basic or advanced, doesn't matter. If you want to become an effective speaker in English language, without tenses we cannot speak English confidently. So now our students are ready to play all tenses, positive and negative. Are you ready, guys?
Yes, sir.
So I'm willing to give a small web form, make into positive and negative into all 12. Okay, so you can take apply.
I applied, I did not apply. I apply, I don't apply.
I will apply, I will not apply.
I was applying, I was not applying.
I am applying, I am not applying. I will be applying, I will not be applying.
I had applied, I had not applied.
I have applied, I have not applied.
I will have applied, I will not have applied. I had been applying, I had not been applying.
I have been applying, I have not been applying.
I will have been applying, I will not have been applying.
Subject change.
She applied, she did not apply. She applies, she doesn't apply.
She will apply, she will not apply.
She was applying, she was not applying.
She is applying, she is not applying. She will be applying, she will not be applying.
She had applied, she had not applied.
She has applied, she has not applied.
She will have applied, she will not have applied. She had been applying, she had not been applying.
She has been applying, she has not been applying.
She will have been applying, she will not have been applying.
సో చూశారుగా ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇప్పుడు మన స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎంత అద్భుతంగా 12 టెన్సెస్ మీద అద్భుతమైన ప్రాక్టీస్ చేశారు. ఇలాంటి అద్భుతమైన క్లాసెస్ మీకు కూడా కావాలి అని అంటే మొట్టమొదటిగా ఫస్ట్ మన యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. దానితో ఆఫ్లైన్లో క్లాసెస్ కావాలంటే ఇందాక చెప్పినట్టు దిల్సుఖ్ నగర్ హైదరాబాద్లో మన కోచింగ్ సెంటర్ ఉంది. సో ఇక్కడికి ఎప్పుడు మార్నింగ్ 7 నుంచి ఈవినింగ్ 7 వరకు మనకు ఆఫ్లైన్లో క్లాసెస్ జరుగుతూనే ఉంటాయి. వచ్చి జస్ట్ ఇది మా ట్రైలర్ మాత్రమే. ఇలాంటి అద్భుతమైన ప్రాక్టికల్ క్లాసెస్ మనకుంటే జస్ట్ జాయిన్ అయ్యి ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.